Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing essentials. Make sure you have admin rights and audio working. Once done, pick your approach, an app for ease or auto hotkey for full control. Next, download or create short-click WAVs, 16-bit 44. 1KHZ for best compatibility and put them in one folder. Then install the tool you chose, install the app or install auto hotkey and create a new script file. This gets you immediately into the practical work without fluff. Once installed, you'll wire the keys to sounds. Now you wire key events to audio. If you use auto hotkey, add lines mapping keys to sound play with full paths. For example, map letters or modifiers and test latency. If you picked an app, load your pack and assign profiles or app exclusions so it doesn't trigger in games. Make sure to keep sounds short to prevent overlap and set volume either in the app or within your script. Once configured, run and iteratively tweak timings and exclusions until the response feels natural. Finish by testing across apps, word processors, browsers, and games to confirm behavior. Once satisfied, place your AHK script or app shortcut in the startup folder so it launches at boot. Make small adjustments to timing and volume as needed, and save backups of your sound pack and script. If something goes wrong, first check the default playback device and exclusive mode in sound settings. Make sure the app/script runs as admin if needed. That single troubleshooting step fixes most silent on key.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.